to see you. How are you? Good to see you. Our qualified and capable workforce is one of our greatest strengths in attracting companies to Jeeves, Georgia, but also to continue expanding. But ensuring it remains an asset in the years to come is also one of our greatest challenges. The bills I'll sign today will help us meet that challenge as we connect Georgians with new opportunities. All right, House Bill 970. We're glad to have some fine educational leaders, including Helen Rice, on the school board.
I think it's an exciting thing for him to come here to one of the first vocational high schools in the United States and make these signings to present this legislation to show that he understands and respects the position that the city of Columbus has taken on vocational education.
1, 2, 3.
Ledger Vocational High School has been a trendsetter for decades, and they've sort of pioneered the focus on workforce development. And anytime the governor's in town is a great day, but to sign that many bills that deal with giving people the tools they need to be able to provide for their family and live in affordable, quality housing, it's big.
We'd like to present you with these flowers made in our metal shop. And Governor Kemp, we understand and we've heard you say before that one of your slogans is keep on chopping. So we have something to help you do that. The kids that graduate from here are going to have the opportunity to enroll, enlist, or become employed. And for those who are leaving here for employment purposes, they are going to be well received in our community, and they'll have jobs waiting for them. And we want them to continue that education and training here locally through either Columbus Tech, Columbus State, or one of our other post-secondary institutions.